Welcome to the grand scale of modern food engineering, where 20 tons of fresh industrial chicken breast arrive daily at our high-tech processing facility. This massive influx of raw material is the first step in creating a beloved snack that combines traditional flavors with cutting-edge manufacturing precision and speed. Advanced robotic arms, equipped with laser sensors, scan every single piece of meat to ensure the highest standards of size, weight, and microbiological safety are met. Every chicken breast is meticulously inspected through this automated system, filtering out any irregularities before the raw meat moves forward into the cleaning phase. The scale of production is truly breathtaking, as thousands of chicken pieces hang on specialized racks, moving like a synchronized army toward the next stage. Purity is paramount here, and the visual clarity of the fresh meat reflects our commitment to quality and hygiene at every stage of the process. As the meat enters the specialized cleaning zone, the environment transitions into a world of high-pressure water and advanced ultrasonic technology for deep sanitation. Powerful water jets and specialized solutions are utilized to remove any remaining impurities, ensuring a perfectly clean foundation for the delicious chicken jerky we produce. Utilizing advanced ultrasonic wave technology. Plus, we create millions of microscopic bubbles that reach into every fiber to ensure the most thorough cleaning process possible today. Automation continues with high-speed rotary knives that precisely trim away excess fat, ensuring that only the leanest and highest quality meat remains for the jerky. This automated precision trimming reduces waste while significantly improving the final product's texture, providing the lean, high-protein snack that our customers expect from us. The clean white chicken meat now moves in a steady stream toward the industrial steamers, marking the transition from raw material to a cooked product. Our massive high-pressure steamers are capable of handling tons of meat at once, using controlled heat to perfectly cook the chicken while retaining its juices. The cooking process is monitored by computers to maintain a constant temperature, ensuring that every batch is cooked evenly and thoroughly for safety and flavor. When the cycle is complete, the doors open to release a fragrant cloud of steam, revealing chicken that is tender, juicy, and ready to be shredded. The meat is quickly cooled to the optimal temperature for the shredding process, preserving the structural integrity of the fibers before they are carefully broken apart. Behold the engineering marvel of the shredding machine, where specialized axes spin at high speeds to tear the chicken into perfectly uniform and thin strands. This creates a beautiful waterfall of chicken fibers, each one precisely 5 millimeters thick, ensuring a consistent texture that will later become incredibly crispy and delicious. Consistency is key to quality, so our vibrating sorting systems filter the shredded meat to ensure only the most perfect fibers move on to the seasoning. Now we enter the heart of the flavor process, where a secret blend of 15 different spices and high-quality fish sauce are combined into a rich syrup. As the vibrant red sauce cascades over the chicken fibers, coating every single strand in a layer of savory, spicy goodness that defines our signature chicken jerky flavor. Freshly sliced red chilies and cold-dried lemon leaves are added to the mix, providing an explosion of color and an unmistakable aroma that excites the senses. Giant mechanical arms work tirelessly to fold and mix the ingredients, ensuring that every batch has an even distribution of heat, spice, and citrus notes. The transformation is complete as the chicken strands take on a deep, rich hue, fully absorbing the complex flavors of the traditional Vietnamese seasoning blend. The flavored meat now enters a 20-meter-long drying tunnel, where advanced heat circulation technology begins the process of removing moisture for the perfect crunch. Under the watchful eye of infrared sensors, the meat slowly dehydrates, concentrating the flavors and creating that iconic golden brown appearance we all know and love. The lemon leaves and chilies also undergo a transformation, becoming crisp and aromatic, releasing their essential oils directly into the drying chicken fibers for maximum impact. High-powered industrial fans create a continuous loop of hot air, ensuring that the moisture level reaches a precise 12% for the ultimate snacking experience. As the product emerges from the drying tunnel, it is a masterpiece of texture and taste, perfectly balanced between spicy, salty, sweet, and tangy citrus notes. The final stage begins with precision weighing, where electronic scales ensure that every bag contains the exact amount of jerky down to the last milligram. Vacuum sealing technology removes all air from the packaging, which is essential for maintaining the product's crispiness and extending its shelf life for over a year. Every bag is stamped with our brand identity and production details, signifying a mark of quality and trust that we deliver to our customers worldwide. Automated robots then take over the heavy lifting, organizing the bags into shipping boxes with a level of speed and efficiency that human hands couldn't match. The sheer volume of production is a testament to the popularity of this snack, with thousands of boxes moving toward the distribution center every single day. From the factory floor to the warehouse, every step is managed with logistics software to ensure that our products reach the market as fresh as possible. Look closely at the craftsmanship. The perfect alignment of fibers and the vibrant spices are the result of hours of careful, automated, and high-tech processing. The addition of authentic lemon leaves is not just for flavor, but for a visual reminder of the traditional roots of this modern industrial marvel. Yet the ultimate reward is the moment of consumption, where the crunch of the chicken and the burst of chili heat create a truly unforgettable snacking experience. Our dedicated quality control team performs rigorous tests on every batch, ensuring that the flavor profile and safety standards are perfectly maintained throughout the year. This sophisticated control system is the brain of the operation, coordinating every machine and sensor to create a seamless and efficient production flow. The drying tunnel remains the core of our technical prowess, where heat and airflow are balanced to perfection to create the jerky's signature crunch. Even the smallest details, like the roasting of the chili slices, contribute to the complex layers of flavor that make our chicken jerky stand out. Our optical sorting technology is so advanced it can detect and remove even the slightest imperfection, guaranteeing that only the best reaches your bag. As we scale our operations, our commitment to quality remains unshakable, bringing the taste of Vietnam to snack lovers across the entire global market. Hygiene is a continuous cycle. After every shift, our automated systems perform a deep clean of the entire facility to maintain a sterile environment. The science of preservation is visible in every bag, where the removal of oxygen ensures that the flavor remains as fresh as the day it was made. This final seal is a promise of freshness, locking in the aroma of lemon leaves and the spicy kick of the chilies for your enjoyment later. Precision measurement of moisture is critical to the product's shelf stability, and we use the latest technology to ensure it is always exactly 12%. Our facility operates around the clock, driven by a passion for excellence and a desire to produce the world's best lemon chili chicken jerky. From farm to snack bag, the journey of the chicken is a marvel of modern technology, blending industrial scale with artisanal flavor and quality control. The result of all this high-tech effort is a snack that is not only delicious, but also consistent in every bite, every bag, and every single batch. Efficiency is built into every corner of our factory, allowing us to meet the growing demand while maintaining the high standards our brand is known for. Full traceability is guaranteed through our digital tracking system, allowing us to monitor the journey of every single bag from production to the final consumer. The rhythmic sound of the machinery is the heartbeat of our factory, a symphony of engineering that produces excellence at a massive industrial scale. Even the air we use is filtered and purified, ensuring that no outside contaminants can ever affect the quality or taste of our premium chicken jerky. And the scale of our operation is a testament to our vision of becoming the leading provider of high-quality modern snacks for a global audience. It is more than just a snack. It is the culmination of advanced engineering, traditional culinary arts, and a relentless pursuit of perfection in every bag. As one shift ends and another begins, our factory never stops its mission to deliver the most flavorful and high-quality chicken jerky to your doorstep. We invite you to experience the perfect crunch and the bold flavors that only our state-of-the-art industrial production process can truly provide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of modern food production, where technology meets taste to create something truly extraordinary.